Hi, my name's Simon from Motodrome. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1998 Defender 90 50th anniversary 4-litre V8 automatic that you can see lurking behind me here. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video, and this is a really nice 50th. Hope you like it. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Defender 90 50th anniversary. All light ignition light come up as they should, and start smartly. You can see the stereo all opening up there. It's just screen's just popped up out of the dash. Now we'll show you under the bonnet. Rover 4-litre V8 here, obviously fuel injected, just rumbling away as it should. There really is no funny noises, no funny smells, nothing at all. Just getting on with the job. So next up we've got driving. Okay, here we are out in this 1998 Defender 90 50th anniversary 4-litre V8 automatic, and driving absolutely beautifully, showing just coming up to 97,000 miles, and unusually for one of these the odometer hasn't faded out at some point. They always still record on the ECU, but you can, most of the time you can never see the odometer reading. This one always seems to have been fine from that point of view. Starts beautifully, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating, and just performs the way a good 50th should. It's still a Defender, so you still do get rattly rear side windows and stuff, but it's much more civilized, especially as this one's had about £9,000 spent on the interior, including a great deal of soundproofing. It's a little quieter than standard, but you can still hear the V8, which is not an unpleasant sound, shall we say. Goes into overdrive top gear fine. No suspension clunks or bangs or anything. Just driving absolutely superbly. In fact, I'm struggling to fault it. I know the last owner spent a lot of money on the upkeep. It's only recently been serviced as well. And we'll go over the big bump. Hey, there we go. Have to drop down to 20 here, so a good way to see how well the auto box changes down nicely. Yeah, no problems at all, no clunking or banging on the change down. I've had a lot of 50th anniversaries through my hands over the years, but this is probably one of the finest, I think. Really very good indeed. Braking wise, it has Tarox front calipers and pads and what have you. I'm not sure if the back have been done as well, but certainly the fronts have, and it does stop just that little bit better than a standard one. Yeah, gearbox changes gear with a nice slur, shall we say. And I think that's about it. There's not much more I can say about it, really. It is spot on, really is. Absolutely first class Defender 50th. So, I hope you like it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com. You may be able to see that. I'll just put it in reverse. The reversing camera comes up on the screen as well. And it has got rear parking sensors. Anyway, there we have it.